GC house.
Yeah, I like these.
Yeah,
Where?
see, you
I
have
forgot
you have a shirt. I mean, a t-shirt, a Mickey Mouse.
Oh, can
the
you show me
house,
your
Mickey
t-shirt?
Mouse, balloons, Mickey Mouse. Everything.
Here's
is
Grandma. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, everything is Mickey Mouse.
GC, where's your
What's that?
Come here.
your
Listen,
t-shirt? Is a Mickey
come
Mouse?
here. Oh, and you have a chair, Mickey Mouse, and table, Mickey Mouse. Come here too. Come on.
GC chair is Mickey Mouse too, or everything is Mickey Mouse.
Mama.
Hi, GC.
How about, how about, come here. How about, you are a Mickey Mouse too?
GC t-shirt is Mickey Mouse.
You are a Mickey Mouse
Cheese.
too. Huh? You are a Mickey Mouse. Here is the Mickey Mouse.
What's grandma's name? What is your
my
grandma's name?
name? What is my name?
Louder, louder.
Kathy. Hi, come on, say more louder.
What is your...
Katerina.
Okay. How old is your grandma? How old? Huh?
81.
What?
81.
Good job. And what is your name?
Stacy.
Really? Shortcut name is JC. What is your complete name?
And John Kristen Patricia Ford.
Good job.
What
And
you-
how old are you?
2 years old.
And what you're holding now?
What you eating?
I eating cookies and marshmallows.
Early in the morning?
Yes.
It's okay. Oh,
Okay. Do you want to play in your playhouse?
Mommy,
Do you want to play in your playhouse?
inside to my house.
Mickey Mouse playhouse.
The Mickey Mouse is the cookies inside.
With the cookies inside.
Yes.
Look at
It was
GC.
inside and it fell
now it's outside.
GC Mickey Mouse
Here is the one too
playhouse.
outside. Here is the one.
Oh.
GC have a balloons there.
There is a little. No, don't step on it.
GC Mickey Mouse there. Okay, do you want to play or no? Ah. Who is this baby?
Mommy, you want
Who is that? Who is that?
marshmallows?
Sure, thank you.
You're welcome.
Who give you marshmallow?
Me.
Who give you marshmallow?
Me, Mommy.
Who give you?
Grandma.
Okay, good.
Hi. Hi. Come on. Give me a. Oh, one more.
Can you bless your grandma?
Bless you, Grandma. I don't know how. Oh,
God bless you.
God bless you.
That's Filipino tradition. You need to bless Lula. Okay, who gonna play inside your
House.
playhouse? Mickey Mouse.
Mickey.
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse Jessie.
Grandma.
Yeah, yes.
No. What? Teddy bear.
Hi, hi. No, don't take. Mama, she put so nice there.
Yeah, mommy arranged that everything.
Come
I
on.
really want
Oh, no.
Who is that?
you. A SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. Yeah. Oh, grandma have SpongeBob.
Oh,
Okay.
oh,
Do you want to play or no?
Uh-oh. Now, Grandma, when is going to again, then I'm going to buy a whole bag of balloons. And not because we have a now.
GC house. Wah! Ah! Peekaboo! Yeah. Naglalaro si GC sa kanyang Mickey Mouse house. You like it? Nasira na yung house. Woo! Wow. Where are you? That's JC house.
Come on, mommy.
Come on. Wow. Wow. Why? Why?
I'm scared, mommy.
You scared?
I run away.
Ay, ay. You like it? That's JC house inside the house. JC no playmates. Only mommy. So, look at JC. What is that, baby? That's a Mickey Mouse?
Yes, you want to come
Mickey
in,
Mouse house?
You want to come in, mommy?
Okay, sure. Mommy gonna come in, okay? One. Mommy gonna come in. This is JC door. Hello. Peekaboo. Where's JC? Where's JC? Where's JC? One. What? Where's JC? Ah. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. Hi, JC. Your house is wide, baby. Your house is wide. Look at that. Your house is wide.
Are you coming?
Yeah, I will. That's JC house. JC house inside the house. You like it? Okay, go inside. I go. JC house.
Mom, you want to come inside?
Yeah, I come. Okay, I come here. Ah! Hindi ako magkasya sa house mo, JC. Ah. Woo!
Mommy,
Do you like it? Do you like mommy to play with you?
Look, door, look.
JC, do you like mommy to play with you?
Yes, it's a trap.
Really?
Come on.
Are you happy you have playmates?
Mommy, come on. Yes. Don't
Yes.
get it close.
Okay, go.
A bit. No, the close a bit.
Where's carpet? Tinutulak ako. Ay,
Get inside. Let's go in, mommy.
No, I can't go inside there.
Where's
It's getting small.
It's getting bigger.
Oh, hello. Wow.
You want to come in, mommy?
No, I can't go over there. Can I see?
How? It's not cover. It's open.
Aray ko.
There's a window with a bump.
Yeah, look at the have a window.
It's good.
Screen window, so no mosquito coming inside your house.
Yes.
That's nice. Who is this, baby? Who is this? Jesse, Jesse, who is this?
This is a Goofy.
Goofy?
And that's a
Oh, that's Goofy.
Mickey B. Squirrel, Mickey B.
Where? Squirrel, I make a bee.
Mickey Mouse.
Oh,
And Minnie Mouse and Rudolph.
oh, Rudolph.
We forgot
Yeah,
that.
dito lang kami naglalaro ng GC sa
Come in again,
sa living room, puno ng laruan.
One more time.
Hirap makipaglaro, baby lang. What? Apa jap. Ah! Ah! What?
No, don't take me. A picture again, mommy.
You want to take a picture again?
Yes, bye. You ready? Take a picture with me.
Okay. Say bye. Mommy and GC gonna play.
Mommy, you want to come in?
Okay, come here first. In your here. In your window. Come here. We're gonna talk here in your window. Go to your window. Go inside. We're gonna talk to you in your window. Okay, this is GC door. And this is GC window. GC, are you happy playing in your what is this? Play hut?
Yes.
Mickey Mouse play hut? Are you happy?
Yes.
Who's playing with you right now?
Mommy.
Yay! You like it?
Yes, I want a cat and head, mommy.
You want a hut? Okay. Kasi dito sa Amerika, walang kalaroan, baby.
Mommy.
Kaya,
Come in.
mayroon siyang sariling
Give me.
bahay-bahayan.
What Gabby?
Okay, I will. Ah! Where you at? Peekaboo. What?
Mommy,
What?
you want to come in?
Yeah, I will come in. Hello.
Hello.
Where's GC house?
Here.
Hi.
Hello.
Where's mommy?
Here.
Where's mommy?
Here.
Hello.
Hello.
You have a nice house, baby. I like it. You like your house?
Yes. Wait, one more time.
What? I think Daddy can fit over here.
No, he can fit this. It's too big.
Who?
Daddy. The window's big.
Bastos na bata. Ay, bulgaro talaga. I think Daddy can fit over here, baby. It's big. It's your house is okay.
Big, mommy.
Who? Who's big? Mickey Mouse? Come on, where's GC? Where's my baby?
Here.
Ang ganda ng house ng baby love ko. Where's GC? Where's GC?
Let's go in.
You going out?
Yes.
See, bye!
Bye.
Okay. Okay, dito na lahat. Look at this mga guys.
I got the
Dito
box.
kami sa loob.
Mommy, you
yan.
want to come in?
Yes, I'm here already. And we have a lot of
Thanks.
things over here. Look at that, a lot of toys.
You want to come in, mommy?
Well,
Go on.
puno na ng toys, baby. Puno na ng toys. How are we gonna play?
Mommy, come on. Lay down.
Lay down! I thought we're gonna play. Why you need to lay down? You gonna sleep? But, nalanggil. Hirap din mga guys. Makipaglaro sa bata, ano?
Mommy.
Yes.
Let's play.
Yay! Oh, it's a ball.
Yes. It's a big ball.
Bull. It's a big ball, baby.
Whoop. It bounced up.
What?
And it bounced out.
What?
It bounced everywhere.
Boom, boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a big ball.
Dun, 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 dun.
The
This is my one more thing.